2024년 미국 매사추세츠 시골 마을. 헛간에서 벌을 키우며 살아가는 벌꾼 에던 클레이. 이런 그에겐 유일한 이웃이자 따뜻한 존재가 있습니다. 바로 이 헛간의 주인 엘로이즈 할머니였죠.
That's them in there just like that?
Just like that. Wouldn't go in there for a day or two. Had the expression kick the hornet's nest?
I'll stay right here, thank you. Those things scare me to death.
Well, they've been killing my honeybees. A few days unchecked, we'll wipe out the whole colony.
What are you gonna do with them?
Well, that's between me and them, if you don't mind.
클레이가 헛간에 벌통을 놓고 꿀벌들을 키우기 시작하면서 벌들이 주변 잡초밭을 돌아다니며 수분 활동을 했고, 그 결과 황량하던 할머니 땅에 꽃이 피고 풀이 자라 땅이 되살아났기에 클레이에게 늘 고마워하는 할머니.
Come back at supper time, let me feed you.
아무것도 없던 자신에게 헛간도 내주고 밥도 차려주시는 할머니. 살면서 아무 대가 없이 이렇게 잘해준 사람은 처음이라 너무 행복한 클레이. 은퇴한 교육자이자 어린이 자선재단 이사인 할머니는 평소처럼 자선재단의 회계 장부를 정리하고 있습니다. 그런데 갑자기 그래서 화면에 적힌 번호로 전화를 걸게 되고 바로 피싱 조직의 콜센터로 연결.
Boss, got something? Yeah? I got one. I want it. I need it. Hey, put it in my ear. United Data Group, good afternoon. This is Boyd. How may I help you?
Hello, I just got a message saying that there's a problem with my computer.
Don't you worry. The message you received is from our United Data Group antivirus software. It's part of the software package that you pre-installed on your computer. On your work account. So what I'm going to need you to do is uninstall that and install the latest version.
I have no idea how to do that. My daughter set up everything for me.
그러자 그는 원격으로 처리해준다며 주소 하나를 불러줍니다.
Okay, I'm there.
And there should be a button on your screen that says install. And you click on that button.
I clicked the button.
그 순간 원격 접속 시작.
She has got 10K checking, life insurance annuity, Roth IRA, teacher's pension, and holy fucking shit. All right, she is a signatory on a $2 million account. Some fucking charity. All right, kids, let the strip mining begin.
Ooh, my computer's going crazy.
Totally normal. Just do not touch your keyboard. Because of this inconvenience, I'm going to credit back your subscription fees. How about that? I've gone ahead and deposited $500 into the account ending 020. You log into that account and verify the transfer, please, Ms. Parker?
Just hold on. Yes, there's...
그런데 7,300만 원이나 들어온 상황.
I made a terrible mistake. I was supposed to credit you $500, but I know I got a stuck key here. I'm going to lose my job here.
그렇게 동정심을 유발하자
I could wire the amount back. I will need a different password, though. One second.
그렇게 비밀번호를 입력하는 순간
Hello? Hello? You still there?
그 후 문자 메시지가 오는데요. 곧 평생 일하며 모은 돈과 자선기금까지 모든 걸 잃었다는 걸 깨닫게 된 할머니.
What did I do?
그렇게 만들어진 꿀단지 들고 할머니 집을 갔는데 노크를 해도 답이 없자 들어가 보니 화재 경보가 울리고 있었고 무언가 이상함을 감지한 클레이는 그때
Don't move. Don't you fucking move. Drop the knife.
총을 겨눈 사람은 할머니의 딸, 현재 FBI 요원입니다.
Verona, I'm so sorry.
Well, how do you know my...
그제서야 죽은 엄마를 발견한 베로나.
That we can clear him is our best and only purpose.
Clear him.
Agent Parker, I know that's your mother. I understand that there's a world where she committed suicide.
그러자 곧 클레이에게로 간 베로나.
What were you doing in my mother's house?
I was bringing her a jar of honey.
A jar of honey. Who the fuck are you, Winnie the Pooh?
I keep bees.
How do you know my mother?
Rent some space in the barn from her. I have a signed lease.
You got a law enforcement background?
I told you I'd take care of bees.
그렇게 클레이는 용의자로 체포되고 베로나는 클레이의 벌통들을 살펴본 후 엄마의 노트북 화면을 보며 얼어붙습니다. 싹 다 털린 엄마의 계좌.
Oh my god.
그날 새벽
His hands tested negative for gunshot residue, but the prints on the gun were your mother's. Seems, sadly, it was suicide.
그 클레이를 찾아가 사과를 한 베로나. 그러자
That's understandable.
그 후 조용히 대화를 나누는 두 사람.
I wanted to thank you for taking care of my mom.
Being old can be a lonely thing. At a certain age, you cease to exist, cease to matter.
There's some British Isles hiding in your accent.
I was born there.
You know, I think I know why she liked you. You're just like my brother. He was in Marsoc, a Marine raider. He was killed a few years ago kicking doors. She loved him.
그러면서 엄마가 보이스피싱을 당해 모든 계좌가 영원이 된 걸 알려줍니다. 그러자
You know who did it.
I talked to an agent in our cybercrimes office. This crew's been operating for 2 years and we don't even have names. And even if we did, good luck building an indictment that would stand up in court. Some defense attorney would just argue that the elderly victim agreed to wire a complete stranger his entire life savings.
Taking from an elderly person is as bad as stealing from a child. Someone hurts a child. There are parents, people who care, ready to step in. Someone hurts an older person. Sometimes they're left to face the hornets alone. Because either it goes unnoticed, or no one cares.
그러자 베로나의 눈빛이 달라지며
And so help me God, I'm gonna get these motherfuckers who did this.
이 말에
I need to take care of the hive.
You've been up all night.
Hive is more important.
곧 벌통 상자 안에서 은박지로 감싼 걸 꺼내는 클레이. 알고 보니 이건 비밀 통신 장비.
What are you doing? Thought you retired.
I did. I need a favor. A name, an address.
Easy.
Not easy. Even the FBI can't find these people.
Well, we're not the FBI, are we? Show me the deets and stand by.
잠시 후 예전 조직의 해커에게 연락이 오고
You weren't kidding. This one kicked my butt. They're routing all over the world.
But you found them.
Sure. But who are these people?
I'm gonna find out.
곧 사기 콜센터인 유나이티드 데이터 그룹에 도착한 클레이.
This is private property and you're trespassing.
I'm going inside. I'm gonna burn it down.
Yeah, that's not happening, buddy.
Do you know what they do here?
Buddy, I'm counting to 3.
1, 2, 3. There. I did it for you. You aware this is a criminal outfit? Scamming the weakest in our society? Stealing everything they have? Do you know that's who you work for? Looking for the call center.
Yeah, you're in the right place. You just have to sign in here.
Tell any of the companies in the building to evacuate now. There's gonna be a fire.
Okay, thanks.
Hang up the phone.
No, I'm good, buddy. I'm just doing my thing here.
Hang up the phone.
Miss Perkins? So sorry. I'll have to call you.
Everyone, need your attention, please. Repeat after me. I will never steal from the weak, the vulnerable again.
You're gonna click on the link I sent you and you start the download, and we'll find out what's going on with it.
그의 참교육을 눈앞에서 목격한 직원들은 구분구분해지며
To help you keep that promise, now I'm gonna burn this place to the ground. Might be a good time to go home.
This guy's fucking psycho! This gas!
그제서야 매니저가 나타나고
Hey! What the fuck? Bro? What the fuck you think you're doing?
I'm a beekeeper to protect the hive. Sometimes I use fire to smoke out hornets.
This is a multi-million-dollar operation, asshole. Okay, so you can't come up here white knighting shit.
그리고 가드들에게 막으라고 하자
I got it. You fucking get it.
But you feel really proud of yourself. Mr.
Garnett?
Mr. Garnett. I don't care if your friends here live or die. The next call from your little phishing scam to this call center will make a spark across these wires. Given all of the gasoline fumes in here, promise you, anything alive in here won't be.
사실 이 콜센터의 몸통은 보스턴의 IT 기업 덴포스 엔터프라이즈. 보스는 회사에서 귀리 우유 라떼에 참치 대뱃살을 즐기는 28살의 금수저. 바로 데렉 덴포스입니다.
Hey, Michaela.
Yes.
It came back. The whole thing. Yeah, and it's like I can barely fucking move. It's all tweaked. Oh, those are nice.
Yeah.
Those are the new bowls.
Yeah.
That's perfect. Thank you.
그때 가넷에게 긴급 전화가 걸려오고
It seems we had a disgruntled customer.
I just can't comprehend why you're bothering me. Just get in touch with the attorney and start shoving back.
Well, yeah, I don't think that legal's gonna help much.
Okay, tell me what the fuck is going on right now.
This dude just strolls in, saying we're stealing from people, and he just tears through all my security guys, like.
And what?
And he burns the place to the ground. Yeah, the call center is gone. I'm standing here staring at a $30 million building it's now a giant fucking ashtray. 4 people didn't get out.
You're telling me that this asshole burnt the entire building down and dropped 4 fucking bodies? Yeah, that's not exactly a disgruntled customer, is it? Who did this? Give me a name right now.
Sir, I don't have it. All the cameras and the drives burned up in the fire. He had a hat.
Oh, he had a hat. Okay, I'm gonna hit you back, alright? I gotta go big dog this shit for a minute.
곧 그는 전 CIA 국장 출신의 고문 월레스에게 도움을 구합니다.
What? No, nothing. I mean, if I had a friend who, like, had a call center and someone burned it down, maybe killed some people, you could get him, right?
Get him? Listen, this sounds like a job for the police.
I just need a name.
Well, you won't get it from me. And you keep me a million miles away from your metaverse meth lab or whatever it is.
Yep.
So check it out. Daddy can't hold your hand on this one. This is clearly some kind of crime of passion, spur of the moment. Someone snapped, like, whatever. But what we're gonna do is I'm gonna send you some credentials. You're gonna log into our cloud, and you're gonna look at anyone connected to the last few deals you closed. All right? Just, no, start there.
And like, what if I find this guy? Then what?
You get a wrecking crew together and you go Goodfellas on him. I mean, come on, you're a connected guy, right? You understand?
같은 시각 콜센터 화재 현장을 찾은 베로나.
So, firefight all the CCTV footage. The receptionist said she saw some jack through in his 40s, manhandled security, and walked in with a couple gas cans. This clown car saw everything, but no one's talking. all frequent flyers with perjury, fraud, and cyber beeps.
Fucking scumbags. I want IDs on all of them.
You know, this is just the tip of like 20 spears, right?
Can I just have this moment?
잠시 후 가넷은 할머니의 정보를 통해 클레이의 위치를 알아냅니다.
You know what? He breaks my shit. You break his shit.
Where you at, B-boy? You fucking hiding, bitch? Well, come out and fucking face us! All right, bitch, now! Let's go! Someone fucking help me! No! I'm okay. Dude, we can talk about this. We can talk about this. Let's just work this out, me and you. We can fix this.
한편 엄마 집이 불이 탔다는 소식에 현장을 찾은 베로나.
Good? Lee, you okay?
Yeah, here's Maggie. Hey, Maggie? ID?
죽은 사람이 콜센터 직원임이 밝혀지자 그녀의 파트너가
You think there's even the remotest chance that the dude who burned down United Data Group is the same guy renting this spot from your mother?
클레이를 범인으로 쫓아야 할지 엄마의 복수자로 나눠야 할지 감정과 직업 사이에서 갈등하는 베로나.
Lost my virginity in that barn.
한편 헛간에서 겨우 도망쳐 나온 가넷이 데렉에게 전화를 걸고
Yo, what's up, player? I'm so sorry, Mr. Danforth.
Did you fuck this up? Are you fucking crying right now?
I'm not crying. I'm bleeding.
Bleeding? Why are you bleeding? What do you mean bleeding?
My fingers on my right hand. He cut them off.
Okay, fuck off. Go. He. Who the fuck is he? Tell me who he is right now.
I don't know. A fucking beekeeper. Makes honey and fucks with beehives.
He fucks with beehives. What's he saying about bees?
I don't know. He said he was like protecting the hive or something. Oh, fuck, man. What the Oh, Jesus. Guys. No, bro. You want crypto? NFTs? You want, I got fucking NFTs. What are you fucking, what? No, what the fuck is this, man?
Don't move.
Crazy, man. What the fuck, bro?
곧 가넷의 전화기를 들더니
You have the pleasure of speaking with.
That's who. You burned down $1 million fucking call center.
Now I'm gonna burn you down.
Because you don't burn me down, I burn you down. You understand me? You are fucking with forces that you cannot comprehend.
You sound young. I bet you don't have estate planning.
I'm fucking 28 years old. Why would I need that?
I'm about to show you.
난생 처음 공포를 느끼며 고문 월레스에게로 달려간 데렉.
And you say one guy did this?
Yep.
Killed 7 armed men without firing a shot.
Yep. And he said he was gonna kill me.
And this is your data mining consumer service business, right?
Yeah, it's something like that. Pulling in $9 million a month, one office, I've got like 20.
그가 더러운 돈을 벌고 있다는 건 알았지만 세부 내용은 신경 안 쓴 채 일부러 눈 감아주고 있었던 월러스. 사실 그는 회사와 대립 가문의 평판을 지켜주는 대가로 연봉 15억 원을 받고 있습니다. 이런 그가 클레이의 정체를 밝히죠.
You've disturbed the beekeeper.
So fucking what? Why do I care if the guy keeps bees?
If a beekeeper says you're gonna die, you're gonna die. There's nothing I can do or anybody else to stop it.
So, like, what do you even do here then? What good are you?
But I chose this job as a favor to your mother. Oh, sit down. I put up with you. I put up with your tantrums, kept you out of the tabloids, kept you out of jail. The endless stream of sex workers. You're a drowning man. You know that?
You're scared.
Get right, I'm scared.
이 한마디에 여유가 완전히 사라진 데렉. 엄마를 잃은 다음 날에도 미친 듯이 수사를 하는 베로나.
Guy who ran it, Garnett. He's in the book. He is a known mob associate. He's missing, but I've got PD chasing him down.
그녀는 화제가 났던 콜센터를 언급하며
So there's got to be like a central office that's controlling all of them, and that's what we got to find. Hello. Did you hear a single word I just said?
Yeah. Gained more yardage on this thing than the whole squad has in 2 years.
Yeah, well, they fucked with my family. What'd you get on Clay?
Your beekeeper?
Yeah.
He's a ghost.
What?
Yeah, all I have is a birth certificate and a social. You guys never even had a bank account, credit card, flown on a plane. I ran his prints through every database I can think of. No hits.
That's bullshit. This dude is former military all day.
No hits. I'm telling you. Either he's never been printed or Adam Clay doesn't exist. Which is terrifying to me because he's probably in a classified program.
그때 가넷을 찾았단 연락이 오고 같은 시각 데렉 엄마의 전화를 받은 월레스.
I think you know why I'm calling.
You know I'd do anything for you. Anything.
Derek's scared shitless. I've never seen him this scared.
Well, he's made his bed.
Plus, you promised you'd take care of him.
Look, I don't need that. I have enough.
So you got this?
Yeah, you have my word.
Wallace, I still think of you. Sometimes.
Sometimes.
전화를 끊은 월레스는 CIA의 옛 부하에게 전화를 겁니다.
Why are you calling me on the never call this line?
This is priority one, Janet.
Well, if it was priority one, I would know about it. Look, I'm heading downtown to a POTUS brief.
Just hear me out. Now, you know who I work for, don't you?
Oh, yeah. God help you, Wallace.
Exactly. Well, Director Harwood, my young friend, seems to have caught the unwanted attentions of, I don't know how else to say this, of a beekeeper.
Well, that's not good.
No, it's not.
What's the body count?
7 today.
You busy making funeral arrangements?
I need help, Janet, not jokes.
한편 가넷의 사고 현장을 찾은 베로나.
He was strapped to an old pickup. Check this out.
잠시 후 CIA 본부로 가서 클레이에 대해 알아본 후 월레스에게 전화를 건 제닛.
So your problem? He's retired from the program. No longer active.
Well, that changes everything.
The current active beekeeper is aware of the issue and is going to be taking things from here. You can rest easy, old friend.
잠시 후 주유를 마친 클레이가 출발하려는데 현직 비키퍼 도착.
Excuse me. You've been a busy bee. You're supposed to be retired.
I'm assuming you're my replacement.
클레이의 압도적인 승리로 끝이 나고
I need your keys.
이처럼 패배의 소식이 전해지자 비키퍼 조직 전체가 이 건에서 손을 뗍니다. 그러자
How can I do that? He was their man, for fuck's sake.
Sorry, Wallace. You're on your own.
그러자 빅고는 대렉.
Thought you could fucking handle this.
I can't handle this.
하지만 자신감엔 이미 금이가 있는 상태. 한편 클레이가 저지른 주유소 화재 현장을 찾은 베로나.
What you got for us, detective?
That's a vehicle registered to Anisette Landris. The ATF are en route inbound to take care of it.
We're way cooler than ATF.
I'll show you why I called them.
That's a minigun. They use those on military vehicles. Do you know that puppy shoots 6,000 rounds a minute?
I know.
Did you know that's 100 rounds a second?
Yep, I know.
Okay, then do you know who Anisette Landris is?
Yes, I do.
Go ahead and tell me.
Someone who doesn't exist in any commercial or government database. Someone who's a ghost, like our good friend Adam Clay.
Beekeeping for beekeepers. Here's another reason that Anisette Landris is like our good friend Adam Clay. Do you know it's that way?
Where the call center was torched.
And that way, where Adam Clay is headed?
Boston.
클레이의 다음 타깃이 사기 네트워크의 심장부인 콜센터들의 본사임을 짐작한 두 사람은 나인스타 유나이티드 그곳으로 향합니다. 한편 월레스는 정예 용병들을 불러 모읍니다. 이들은 미 해군 최정예 부대인 썰팀6 그리고 미 육군 최정예 부대인 델타포스. 곧 브리핑을 시작하는 월레스.
When I was sworn in as director, I was read into programs I never imagined existed, like the beekeepers. Someone a long time ago decided to safe a mechanism outside the chain of command, outside the system. Its one mission: to keep the system safe. Beekeepers are given all resources, empowered to act on their own judgment. For decades, they have quietly worked to keep the hive safe. It appears that a retired beekeeper has gone off program and is acting in what he mistakenly believes is the hive's best interest.
Can't somebody just pick up the phone and tell this yahoo to stand the fuck down?
That's the one thing beekeepers don't do. Stand down. Not unlike bees themselves, beekeepers keep working until they die.
So he's basically one of us.
No, he's not like you. You're Tier 1 operators. You are, in other words, pussies. If you were in the same room, he would kill you. With enough of you, then maybe you just might, in fact, be able to kill him before he accomplishes his goal.
What would that be?
To kill his way to the top of the hive.
체질을 지킨다는 명목으로 클레이를 제거하려고 하는 월레스. 하지만 진짜 지키려는 건 체제가 아니라 자기가 빨대 꽂고 있는 범죄 조직입니다. 한편 벌꾼 지침서를 꼼꼼하게 읽던 베로나는
Listen. Some bees are queen slayers, which will rise up and kill their queen if she fails to produce the right kind of male offspring.
Fascinating.
그때 FBI 부국장에게 전화가 걸려오고
Flying up from DC to see us.
너무 커져버린 사건. 그렇게 비키퍼 본부에 들어간 클레이. 자신이 화제를 낸 이 콜센터들을 관리하는 본사의 주소를 알아낸 클레이. 잠깐 정리해보자면요. 클레이가 처음 불태운 곳은 보이스피싱 콜센터였고 지금 가려고 하는 곳은 콜센터들을 관리하는 본사인 나인스타 유나이티드, 그리고 대륙에 있는 진짜 본지는 덴포스 엔터프라이즈입니다. 한편 워싱턴에 도착한 베로나와 그녀의 파트너.
This is Deputy Director Berg and Amanda Munoz, Special Counsel.
Mr. Deputy Director, my colleague and I believe that 3 major crime scenes in our area are connected to a single subject, Adam Clay. He killed 6 people today. Based on the extensive use of tradecraft and the nature of his alias, we believe that Mr. Clay is connected to a classified program named Beekeeper.
비키퍼란 단어에 미묘하게 반응하는 부국장.
Let's stick to what we know, Special Agent Parker.
윗선도 긴장하게 만드는 비키퍼.
In any event, this individual is highly capable and extremely motivated, and we believe that he's on his way to Boston, if not already here. And we believe that this is his next target, 9-Star United, which appears to be the entity operating the regional call centers like the one that Mr. Clay burned down.
Why is Adam Clay on this rampage?
He's protecting the hive, sir. It's what beekeepers do.
그러자 부국장이 기동대, 감시팀, 그리고 분석팀 지원까지 승인을 해줍니다.
That just happened?
Yeah.
이곳은 콜센터들을 관리하는 본사인 나인스타 유나이티드. 현재 이곳은 전국 콜센터의 사기 실적 보고가 한창입니다.
Start with Phoenix. Where we at?
Phoenix is up 201K.
200K? I'm gonna suck your dick. I love you. Collins, show me. Tell me. Where we at?
It's down 92K, boss.
Now? You're a fucking loser. New York, make me happy. I beg you.
New York City's up 64X.
Love you, New York.
때마침 FBI 도착.
Gather round. Over all weapons front on entry. We ready? Give me a loose. Loose. Go. Power down, my federal friend. Power down.
먼저 와 있는 사설 보안팀 월레스가 보낸 용병들입니다. 이들은 주지사의 명령이라며 FBI를 밀어내죠. 그러자
Set up a perimeter outside.
그렇게 건물을 장악한 용병들은 곧 콜센터 운영실에 진입합니다.
Fuck are you? You can't be in here. We're the guys keeping you alive. Shut it down now. Everybody, listen up. Anyone who's not carrying a weapon, get the fuck out. Shouldn't you be killing Bin Laden or something? Listen to me, my friend. This place prints money. No one's shutting it down. Anybody so much as puts a phone down, they're fired. I'm sorry to break it to you, but Bin Laden's been dead for a while. So I'm gonna say this one last time. Shut it down.
What about the parking garage? Closed and locked. Steel gate. I want a body on comms watching. Delivery dock? Same deal. Station agent there too. Yes, sir. Sure there's no back entrances into this place?
Hey, there are no other entrances.
Federal law enforcement operation in progress. Move along and minimum retreat at a safe distance. Thank you. Someone scout the service tunnel.
The other option, instead of going in, is to smoke them out.
Excuse me?
I figured I'd give the firefighters a break. I put it through enough already.
What do you say your name was?
Currently I go by Adam Clay.
Somebody detain this guy.
그렇게 클레이는 건물로 들어가고 보스인 대렉에게 전화를 건 매니저.
Oh wow, if it isn't the fucking golden goose himself.
Sir, I got Captain Caveman here telling me to send everyone home. And if we do that, we're walking away from a lot of money.
Put him on.
It's for you.
Why are you fucking with my business?
Cause Mr. Westwild hired me to kick some fucking beekeeper's ass.
Mr. Westwild works for me, which means that you work for me. Now listen, that place is the crown jewel of my kingdom. I'm not gonna let some crash test dummy with a fucking gun fuck it up. Is that clear, Mr. Pettis?
Didn't this character already burn one of your senators to the ground?
Well, you know, they didn't have you, and that's why. So maybe you just do your fucking job and don't tell me how to do mine, please? We got it?
Copy that.
그렇게 용병들이 철수하고 매니저가 그들을 조롱하는 가운데 벌써 이곳에 잠입한 클레이. 그러다 옆 사람이 클레이를 알아보고 그러자
One-time amnesty. Whoever doesn't want to die this evening can in an orderly fashion. Leave now.
No fucking way. It's not happening. Anybody moves, you're fired. No bonus, no vesting, no 2 weeks. Nada. Zero. Okay. Are you fucking nuts? One of these pricks is worth 30 to 40 million a year in profit, so no one is shooting no guns. Not a good day to drag innocent people into this.
These assholes are not innocent.
For either one of us to close that distance, some of them will get hurt.
Let's start with this prick right here. Pattis, we got a man down. Know who you're working for?
None of my fucking business. I'm just the guy they call when there's a problem. You are a problem.
Goddamn right, I'm a problem.
잠시 후 나인스타에 도착한 베로나.
Dan, what the hell happened? Penny dead?
Not dead, but we got our asses kicked.
Our guy? What do we know?
He's in the building. I'm waiting more men to roll in. I don't know what this guy is, but nobody can do what he's done.
He's just a beekeeper.
그러면서 건물에 진입하는 베로나. 한편 클레이는
You done?
Reload! Everybody out!
You're done.
We should take the stairs.
Smart.
Something is in the hallway. Command, report back. Anybody got comms?
Please don't kill me. I'm just a middle manager. I never had nobody.
I'd respect you more if you look people in their eyes when you steal from them. Now, you're making a lot of money here. Tell me where it's all going.
I don't know that.
I know you're the middleman. Who's above you?
They'll kill me.
I'll torture you, then kill you.
Come on, guys, you got it.
Wiley, get your ass up here!
Yeah, well, I'm not an Olympian.
Make it stop. You can make it stop. You've stolen hundreds of millions from people who've done nothing but work hard all their lives.
She was an educator, Mom. Dedicated her whole life to helping people. Yesterday, she shot herself. She took $2 million from a charity she ran. She was the only person who ever took care of me.
결국 이불련 매니저.
Let me show you. Let me show you.
그러더니 어떤 사진 한 장을 보여주며
I told you they were untouchable.
Sometimes when the hive is out of balance, you have to replace the queen.
같은 시각 운영실에 들어온 베로나.
That man is directly responsible for your mother's death.
I believe you. But we have laws for these things.
You have laws for these things until they fail. Then you have me.
Arrest him.
On your feet before I blow your fucking head off. I just been thrown through a plate glass window. Shut your fucking mouth.
이분은 베로나의 파트너.
I have 4 kids.
I know. 3 boys and a girl.
그렇게 베로나의 파트너를 살려주고
Wiley? You okay?
Yeah. You went that way.
Have you been hit?
My wife thinks I'm doing computer nerd shit.
Okay, well, I won't tell her if you don't. Have you been hit?
No, I'm good, Mom.
Huh?
Did you get him?
Did you?
No, he's tricky. Almost. But
Okay.
I guess that's just evidence. Can I borrow your gun?
Yeah, let's go.
On me.
I want interviews with all of them. We're gonna talk. Get him out of here.
그러다 컴퓨터 화면 속 사진 한 장을 보게 되고
Holy shit.
그 시각 월레스와 함께 있던 데렉은
You said these guys were the fucking best. Why are they all dead?
You kicked the beehive, and now we have to reap.
Unless fucking what?
Maybe now's the time to call your mother. He can't make his move on us if we're in her proximity, can he?
그래서 정말 엄마에게 전화를 건 데렉.
Hey, Mom. No, nothing. I was just, thinking about you. I miss you. I was hoping to maybe see you this weekend.
I'm at the beach house. You're welcome to join if you behave.
이렇게 별장까지 있다는 엄마가 누군가 봤더니
Madam President, Food Mingwall.
Hello, good to meet you.
Sola Oyamade.
Sola, thank you so much for coming.
데렉의 엄마가 미국 대통령이란 영화 같은 이야기. 한편
Why not let Clay do his thing? Your mom is dead because of these people.
Wherever it's headed, I swore an oath.
Even if he's right?
Even if he's right.
잠시 후 부국장에게 브리핑을 하는 베로나.
We think we have a sense of Mr. Clay's true intentions. He seems to be following the money.
What money is that?
Usually it's from people with no heirs, no family. Nine Star United uses data mining software to identify these people and then target their assets.
그리고 연루된 회사를 하나 더 말합니다.
Sir, a company who is a vendor to the intelligence community and to the Justice Department. In fact, we use this company's software in this very office to identify financial fraud.
그래서 그 회사의 이름은 바로
Danforth Enterprises. With an annual revenue of $10 billion, founded and operated by Jessica Danforth, who recently stepped down because she was sworn in as President of the United States.
She self-financed her campaign.
Yeah. None of that money was clean.
Who else knows this?
Us three.
I have a really bad memory, sir.
Let's keep the circle small.
그 후 클레이가 삼은 다음 희생자가 대통령이라고 알려주자
You have a blank check. Good luck.
Thank you.
다음 날 이곳은 대통령의 별장.
Hey, whoa. This is a private event. I'm going to need you to turn around, go away.
Federal Bureau of something or another. We're good. You have invites. We're hit.
All right, you'll need to excuse my partner. He's recently concussed and hasn't slept in 2 days. We're on the access list.
We're good, boss.
이곳에 도착하니 대통령 경호를 담당하는 비밀 경호들이 쫙 깔려 있습니다. 한편 월레스가 따로 부른 전문 사냥꾼이 클레이 영상을 보고 있습니다.
He has a little talent, doesn't he?
It's absolutely fucking terrifying. Fuck, bro! How'd you piss this out off, huh?
You're looking at me. How was any of this my fault? Wasn't your super secret CIA data mining software supposed to, I don't know, maybe filter out unfucking stoppable killing machines?
Don't you fuck with me, young man. Any other life you'll be in jail. You'll be in any
Hey, this
other
is the
life.
fucking beekeeper! Yeah, you know I killed one once.
Oh, you see?
Yeah, only because I was lucky. And unfucking lucky. Yeah, don't piss your pants, bro. My team will be out shortly. If anyone can knock this guy's dick in the dirt, it's them. Ain't that right, money man?
Yeah.
그렇게 곧 대통령이 별장에 도착하고
Tell that guy to hurry up. I want every manhole on this street welded shut. Back. I'm getting up. Yeah. Checks out. Good to go. Let's go. Come on. Move it up. Trucks processed. Well, I'm in there now. Got eyes on from the second floor. All right, you're good. Coming through. All right. Coming through.
그렇게 대통령 경호팀으로 위장한 클레이가 별장으로 들어가고 그 시각 엄마를 만나는 데렉.
When did you get in? What a surprise.
You didn't hear the giant marine helicopter land on the front lawn.
I guess not.
약에 취해 있었으면서 엄마에게 아부를 늘어놓습니다.
Hey, you look fucking great, by the way. I mean, power just looks so good on you.
Why does Wallace Westwald look nervous as a burning cat? What have you done to the man?
I wouldn't know, Mother.
Well, he's there to protect you if you'll let him. You're a good-looking kid. You really are. You know that?
What does that mean?
It means that God doesn't give with both hands.
Okay, I love you too, Mom.
늘 나쁜 쪽으로 머리를 쓰는 아들이 걱정인 대통령 엄마. 그 시각 전문 사냥꾼 팀들도 별장에 도착.
Wiley, look.
Oh shit. Look at her body language. Bad vibes. She got caught riding dirty.
이 약한 엄마가 데렉을 데려가고 잠시 후 FBI 부국장 앞에 그를 데려다 놓습니다.
Have a seat.
I'm cool. I was saying, what is this, like an ambush or something? This feels weird. I don't like it.
No, you'll sit.
I'll sit.
Kelly, would you give us a moment?
It's okay, ma'am. I can take notes.
I need you to step outside. The deputy director has flagged his concerns about some uncomfortable things happening inside the family company.
Oh boy.
Uncomfortable things about the source of my campaign funds.
Sounds serious. What's up?
Deputy director.
Mr. Danforth, are you familiar with United Data Group?
Yeah, I invested in that.
How about 9 Star United?
Yeah, that's more of like a consulting type role. There's the blockchain issues, and you probably don't bore you with all of that.
What do you know about a classified algorithmic data mining software package developed by the intelligence community?
요 핵심을 찌르는 듯한 질문에 대답을 못하는 데렉. 같은 시각 별장에 침투한 클레이를 보게 된 베로나.
He's here. All stations, targets in the building, East Wing. Give me everything you got.
He's in the house.
Assault team, saddle up! Let's move, boys. Let's move. Come on! OG, come on! Move!
Break! Packages in the house. Level 3, site 4. Blue over blue. You see him? You fucking get him!
Hey! Put your fucking hands up! Now turn the fuck around!
He's outside. Target's outside.
Move! Let's get this fucking guy!
Whoa. Easy, killer. See him?
Negative.
Hey!
That's right! Now! That's right! Now! On your knees! On your knees! Place your fingers behind your head. Down! On your knees! Now! Do it now! Beekeeper, huh? God's right hand. You aren't shit.
Whoa.
Hey, take a step back. I'm putting this asshole's brains on the lawn.
What are you doing? He's not even armed.
Armed. As long as this motherfucker's breathing, he's armed.
You're not fucking executing him.
Nice crowd you're rolling with.
그때 월레스가 제거하란 신호를 보내자
Watch me.
V, what the fuck is going on?
To be or not to be? Isn't that the bloody question?
I think I'll take to be.
용병들을 죽이지 않고 기가 막히게 약간의 상처만 내게 한 벌꾼. 현재 상황을 보고받는 FBI 부국장.
He's here! Go! All station! Your weapons free! Why are you waiting?
Take it easy. Take it easy.
Over the floor.
Not clear. Nice.
You understand? You did this, right?
I was just trying to get you into office, Mom.
I was going to win with or without your help. We were already rich. Your father built an empire.
Yeah, and you were gonna fucking break it up into pieces and sell it off.
But in the name of public service, because I care and I want to leave a better world.
Okay, right. Yeah, because you hate the fact that being the president is just like an endless cocktail party. You realize that you were behind in 15 of 20 counties you needed to win. 15 of 20 counties. I taught CIA software to hunt money and not terrorists. You didn't hear that.
한편 아수라장이 된 별장.
Now I know where the money came from.
Okay, whatever. It's computer data, Mom. Somebody in this family has to have their fucking feet on the ground to actually get shit done. You understand that? Mom, the wolves are at the fucking door right now. What are you gonna do to fix this?
Tell the truth.
What does that even mean? Tell the fucking truth! You have an entire building full of PR people that are gonna choose the right way forward!
That guy who's coming to kill us, that beekeeper, I'm telling him the truth about what you did, Derek. Then I'm telling the entire nation. And if it costs me everything, well, so be it.
You're just a man.
I know. Thank you.
You're gonna tell this guy the fucking truth and hope that he spares you and kills me instead?
No, Derek, I'll tell him the truth because it's the truth.
한편 벌꾼 앞에 모습을 드러낸 월레스.
Beekeepers live for the good of society.
I'm retired. This is personal.
All the more reason to stop. Go back, live a quiet life, making honey for your neighbors.
That's all I wanted. My neighbor's dead.
I know, I'm sorry. But do you live in the real world, or just protect it? What does it matter to you how presidents come to be elected?
Doesn't.
Well, what does matter to you?
Right and wrong. I believe there's good in the universe.
Yeah, well, we agree. I mean, that's my view.
Until the Danforth family bought you, you could stop pretending. We wouldn't need beekeepers if it wasn't for men like you.
Don't do that.
Sir, you might want to step back.
No.
I don't want you to get hurt.
I'm sorry. I can't do that.
Now have a seat.
한편 총을 꺼내든 데렉은
Jesus! That's fucking real right there!
그렇게 벌꾼이 등장하고
Drop the weapon! Drop it!
You decide who you work for the law, or for justice.
Fuck this. Bye, Mom.
Move it out, boys. Out of the way.
No, I want my thing. Quiet! No, I want my... No! No!
You need to come with me. Come on.
Move out.
그렇게 안녕이라는 듯 눈인사하며 사라진 벌꾼.
Goodbye, Adam Clay.
벌꾼은 벌집을 지켰습니다. 말벌을 처리했고 결함이 있는 자손을 낳은 여왕벌 앞에 진실을 들이밀었죠. 그리고 다시 어둠 속으로 돌아가는 벌꾼을 보여주며 영화는 그렇게 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 비키퍼였습니다.
달콤 리뷰와 함께라면 영화도 드라마도 더 깊게 듣는 감동 보는 재미 내일도 또 와줄 거죠. 다음 이야기에서 만나요.
달콤 리뷰 구독, 좋아요.